Ever dreamed of earning $10,000 a month online? Imagine the freedom, imagine the possibilities. This dream often feels out of reach. We think it requires technical skills, tons of money, or luck. But what if there was a system? A system designed to help anyone build passive income streams? That's the premise behind Passive Income System 2.0. Created by online entrepreneur Glynn Kosky, this program promises to guide you towards online financial success. But is it too good to be true? Let's dive in and find out. Glynn Kosky is a big name in the online business world. He's known for creating successful digital products and courses. He's built a reputation for teaching others how to generate income online. His story is one of going from regular guy to online success story. Glynn's experience makes him relatable. He understands the challenges of starting an online business. He knows the struggles of making money online. He's packaged his knowledge into the Passive Income System 2.0. Passive Income System 2.0 is a comprehensive program. It's designed to equip you with the tools and knowledge to build passive income streams. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a structured approach to online business. The program includes coaching. Get personalized guidance and support from Glynn and his team. Superfunnel. Access a proven sales funnel system to automate your marketing. Tools and resources. Utilize software and resources to streamline your business. The program focuses on affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning commissions. It's a popular and potentially lucrative online business model. Passive Income System 2.0 can be a great starting point for beginners. It can also be valuable for experienced marketers. It offers a structured framework and proven strategies. But it's important to be realistic. Success requires effort, dedication, and time. Results vary from person to person. There are costs associated with the program and online business in general. Before diving in, ask yourself, time commitment. How much time can I dedicate to building this business? Comfort level. How comfortable am I with online marketing and technology? Expectations. What are my realistic income goals and timelines? Remember, there is no magic button to online success. Thoroughly research any program. Think critically. Your journey to online income will be unique.